when you come over to Academy, this right here is a nice smoker right here, man. This right here, I don't know what the price tag is. If you just getting started on smoking meat, this right here is the way to go. It's beautiful. Let's see what else they got over here. They got an outdoor gourmet griddle. I don't know about this one. It's look a little rinky dinky right here, but this right here is the Truthus Rufus Pico Smoker. Yes, sir. And it's $499. Still not a bad price, because if you bought a regular smoker from a quality builder, you're gonna pay thousands. That's not bad. Yes, sir. Some good stuff right here, y'all. Chris, a lot of stuff in here to choose from. And I'm in Academy. This right here, Truthus Rufus. Look at the StaleKracker. That right there is the truth, man. StaleKrackers, man. Seasoning. I gotta get me some. You know what's up, dude? Let's see, which one is this one? This one is Cajun Step, and this one is Fire. $5.99 in the Academy, man. Gotta do it, baby. Petite.